Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now this is a quick video. I want to show you guys how you can be able to justify your content or your post content in WordPress. So you realize that the default one doesn't have justify in it. So we have align text left, align center, and then align text right. So meaning that there's no way you can be able to justify it using the default blog editor. So even when you click over here, you still don't see all those justify edit option in it, and over here also you don't see anything in it. Now if you highlight it also, you're not going to see it anywhere. Okay, even when you look at your right hand side with the settings over here, there is no justify in it. Now there is a way you can be able to do it. Okay, so for instance, I have this blog post over here and I want it to the left and the right to be justified. Okay, so that is exactly what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go to my WordPress dashboard over here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to plugins over here and I'm going to add a new plugin. So I'll just open it a new tab and then install a new plugin which will help me add some editing stuff into the WordPress. So over here I'm going to just search for editors kit. Just search for editors kit over here, and then when you see it, make sure that this is what I'm talking about. So Gutenberg blog tool kit, editors kit. Okay, so this is exactly what we are going to talk about over here. So the last updated is 3 weeks. They said it's untested for your version, but this plugin really works well. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on install now over here, and then we go ahead and then activate the plugin. So we're going to activate this plugin. All right, so now that it is activated, now we can go ahead and then go back to our post editing over here, and we're going to refresh it. Okay, so let's just refresh it and then see if the changes or the plugin that we installed have brought some changes into our post editing field or page over there. All right guys, so now we can be able to try and see or try and check if the post editing toolkit or the editors toolkit that we installed have brought some changes. So I'm going to just highlight this whole blog over here, and then I'll click on this particular tool. So as you can see, we have more over here. Okay, so when I click on it, you realize that there are more things which has come, and we see justify over here. Okay, so there are more widgets or more things you can use, editors tool you can use to edit your text or your blog or paragraph in WordPress. So we can justify it over here, and as you can see, it is justified. So we can use it to justify all the content that we have in our blog post. So I'm going to click over here, click on justify, go to this place also, highlight this one also, and then click on justify. And also I'll do same for this particular one also. So I'm just going to highlight this whole thing. I'm going to highlight this whole thing over here, click on more, and then click on justify. So now if I update this particular post right now, and then I go back to check it on my front end, you realize that all the changes that we have made is now justified. So let's wait and see. All right, so we can go to the page and then refresh it. So this is how it looks like, but when we refresh it, let's see if the changes that we did has taken effect on our post. All right guys, as you can see over here, now everything is justified, okay, perfectly well the way we want it, and that is exactly what we are looking for. So it is justified for us, and this is how you can be able to justify your post content in WordPress post editor or the blog or Gutenberg post editor. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification button when you subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.